Man, it is pouring down raining. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We are in the creator cave. I actually was able to get off a little early today because of bad weather. As you can see, for the people that were affected by the hurricane, I pray that everything is safe with them, and I pray that y'all stay safe. But since I got off early because of the storm and the hurricane and whatnot, I'm actually gonna come up here to the creator cave and actually get some stuff done. So first thing I'm gonna do, I gotta move the fox body out the way so I can actually have some room. And as you can see, there's water in here, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I'm in my boots and work pants, so I don't mind getting a little dirty today. It's perfectly fine. Now the rain is really coming down. Probably gonna end up having to close this garage, but I gotta clean all of this out at least, or do something, push the water out, something. The guy who came by and got the wheels in the rear end from this car, of course the wheels are 17s, and I was like, all right, well, I'm just gonna put my spare wheels on here, it's fine. So I thought it was smart to bring my V6 wheels that came off the 98 because I don't ever use these. Completely forgot that the Cobra brakes, you have to have at least a 17-inch wheel in order for the wheel to bolt up to Cobra brakes. So yeah, I'm finna take those off, put these wheels on there so I can at least have it rolling. All right, so I got some of the water out of here, somewhat. I'm sure more water is gonna come in here because as you can hear, the storm is pretty bad. I'm also finna look over the car some more just to see if I can find anything, maybe something that he didn't tell me about, because he said there was a few other stuff that was on here that I didn't even know that the car had. For instance, the car has line lock on here. Also, I got new coilover springs. Today is gonna be like a cleaning day. Anybody wants some mint V6 tri-bar pony wheels? $3,000. I was able to get the brake calipers and the rotors off, but I noticed that the brake calipers was actually flipped upside down. So just to let you know, whenever you have brake calipers or you're replacing the brake caliper, the bleeder valve always got to be pointed up. And on these, this was pointed down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the engine bay. I did figure out that this is the line locker, and here is the connector for it. It looked like the cable is messed up, so I'm gonna have to rewire it if I want to continue using the line lock. And I also got to remove the nitrous lines because he did say he want them back. So he also told me that he runs 2 fuel pumps on there, so he got an internal and an external fuel pump. The more and more I actually start looking at this car, the more I start figuring out little stuff about it. I couldn't get the vacuum to work, so we're gonna go ahead and start on the inside by just clearing out the trash. As you can see, pretty much everything just got thrown into here. Some of these extra parts, like this intake is for a Nissan. I don't need that. I'm gonna also check the fuses to see if I can get the windows to roll down, because for some reason I can't get the windows to roll down. Hopefully I can find some more goodies in here. I still got some trash in here because I can't really vacuum out yet, but I was looking through here and I end up finding some control arms. Let me go ahead and clean these off and show you how special these are. All right guys, this is what it looked like cleaned up. Some Edelbrock lower control arms. I'm definitely gonna be adding this to the Fox body. And finally, I got everything pretty much cleared out. I still got a vacuum, but now I can see the floor. There's no parts everywhere. I took out all of the extra wiring that wasn't connected to anything, and I organized the parts to where I feel like they wouldn't be in my way. One of these days, I'm gonna take off the harness belts. I just don't have the tool for it right now because I am not at the house. Eventually I'll bring my tools up here so I can be able to take this apart and actually get all the stuff that I need to get off of it. The back is still kind of messy, and the reason why is because all the wiring is still kind of back here and it's just doing whatever it wants to do, and I still got to take it apart to get the nitrous lines out and the fuel pump lines. But guys, it's starting to get to the point where now it is like just pouring down raining, and it's time to start wrapping it up and getting it going, because it's getting bad out here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the gauges I have. So I have a fuel gauge and a boost gauge right there, and I also have an oil gauge right here, and a bunch of switches down there. I have no idea what it's for, but there's some switches down there. I also figured out I have 4 fuses blown. I'm gonna swap out some fuses just to see if I can get these windows to roll down. When I get the windows rolled down, it'll be a lot easier to work in. I am excited about getting this stuff on the Fox body because I've been waiting to get all of this stuff on for a long time. I just haven't had time to do it. But now that I got this area, I can do it. I don't have to worry about the rain like how it's raining right now. Once I get all my tools, I can just start hacking away at this car. If you're curious about where this car came from, check out this video right here. I'll tell you all about it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.